going to show how this action works right here. See how that pops up? Now see, this back here pops up to lock it. Get it where you can see it. See how the back of it pops up right there to lock it. Locks right there. All right, let's load it. Show you how it loads. You stick your shell in like this, slide it in there. You gotta slide it down there. I'm trying to keep my thumb out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, it's fully loaded. So you just leave a shell right there. Pop one right there. And then watch how this, see it goes over top of it. Boom. And you're fully loaded. All right, that's a beauty, isn't it? All right. Let's see how she runs. Load her back up and try it again. I think I finally got the hang of it. All right. And make sure you lever it all the way. All right. Let's show how to load this 97. You stick the shells in like this. You don't have to turn it upside down like this, but we're doing it just for the video. It's a little bit easier to load. Holds a lot less shells. Okay, let's nail that target. You push this button in on the side and you can pump it, or you can pull the trigger. Let's step out here and let that steel have it. Oh, we're already out. A little bit tighter pattern on that one there. If you had like a wall, you were standing this close to it.
Stay tuned. We're going to try to cut that board in half in just a second.
Makes a hole in it.
In the meantime, hit like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell if you like to see more videos, and it'll let you know when they're right hot off the press. All right, we're going to try to cut this board.
Out. One last shell. Let's see if we can take that board and fully cut it in half.